Mr. Shaurabh Gautam, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you for providing me this opportunity. Yes, sir. My name is Saurabh Gautam. I born and brought up in Delhi, and I did my schooling and college itself from Delhi University. In 2018, I graduated. Then in BSc Mathematics. Then after for 3 years, I prepared for Indian Air Force examination. But unfortunately, I was not able to clear. Then from 2020 onward, 21 onwards, I am preparing for banking and insurance exams, and for the past 2 years, I given two interviews in line for SBI PO, but I am not able to clear it. And then finally, this opportunity come to me in front of me. And my hobbies include gymming and creative writing and debating.
Said you appeared for SBI PO interview. What is the
Yes, sir.
other one for which you appeared?
Sir, LICAAO.
Oh, that was not that very tough. Why you missed that also? That I can
Yes,
understand SBI PO was tough, but not LICA. That was not, that is normally not that very tough. Now
yes,
tell
sir.
me, how many marks did you score in the SBI PO interview?
I scored 22 out of 30.
What about the GD?
Sir, 17 out of 20.
So 17 plus 22, 39. Not a bad mark. It's a good mark only. But
Yes, sir.
perhaps your cut, the marks over cutoff was not much. How many marks you had scored over the cutoff
Yes, sir, in main exam,
in the main exam?
it's only 2 marks above.
Ah, that is useless. It is
Yes,
equivalent
sir.
to not passing.
Yes, sir.
It is equivalent to not passing. Yeah, because nobody, but there are some candidates who score 49 out of 50.
Yes, sir. There.
So now what happened in your IBPS? Sorry, LICAO marks are not given. They don't give
Yes,
you the
sir.
marks now. The written test marks and interview marks, are they telling you
Yes, sir. They did.
how many marks did you score in the written test above cutoff, and how many marks did you score in the interview?
Sir, written only 5 marks above the cutoff.
Then in the interview,
Sir, in interview, I got less than 50 out of 100.
why? What happened? Which questions could you not answer properly?
Sir, I was not prepared, I think. At the interview, I
Wh-
hesitated a lot. Not confident enough to answer. And I missed the important part of eye contact. I think these are the important.
Why? Why did you miss eye contact? Now,
Sir,
even today, your introduction was will get you only 40 out of 100. The
okay, sir.
introduction was very not very impressive.
Sir, give me a 30
You
second, I will again.
you'll have to think about introducing yourself properly as a person with confidence,
Okay, sir.
a person who has got positive attitude, a person who is willing to take responsibility. ऐसा मत भी बोलना है.
Sir, can you give me 30 second? I will introduce again.
You think and then come again. No problem.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm. Come, please tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir, providing me this opportunity. My name is Saurabh Gautam. I born and brought up in Delhi. I did my elementary and secondary education from Delhi itself. Then I did my graduation from University of Delhi, Dayal Singh College in BSc Mathematics honors. And for the last 2 years, I was preparing for banking and insurance exam. And my strength include good leadership skills and management skills. And something on my family. My family consists of my father, my sister, and my mother. My father retired from government service in 2018, and my sister is a banker by profession. She is assistant manager in Union Bank of India, and my mother is a homemaker.
Yes. Why did you not try for MSc further?
Yes, sir. I was very clear from the graduation and itself that I want to prepare for competitive examination, and I opt for the CD examination. Write the examination 3 times, but unfortunately, I was not able to crack it.
Which one could you not crack?
Sir, I cracked the written part of CDS, but not able to clear the
Oh,
SSB interview.
acha. CDS. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Combined Defense Service. Correct.
Yes, sir.
What was the reason for your showing interest in combined defense? Because none of your people were in army.
Yes, sir. Our home, my house is very near situated to the Indian Air Force Station. From the childhood itself, we are seeing regularly the fighter planes on our home. So the deep interest in planes from the childhood itself encouraged me to fill the form of CD examination and to aspire to be an officer in armed forces.
Now you have applied for generalist post or what?
Yes, sir. I am journalist and ICL.
Excellent. Who is the founder of NIACL?
Yes, sir. NICL was founded by Sir Dorabji Tata in 1991. 1990.
Acha. When was it nationalized?
So it was nationalized in 1972 by the General Insurance Amendment Act 1971.
Can you please tell me what do you know about NIACL?
Yes, sir. NIACL stand for New India Assurance Company Limited. As I already told you, it was established in 1999 by Sir Dorabji Tata. So by Dorabji Tata, and till 1956, it worked as a both general insurance and life insurance. But in 1956, its business shifted to LIC as of life insurance. Then in 1972, it was nationalized, and it made under as a subsidiary of general insurance company. But through the Amendment Act of 2000, it was given an autonomous status by the government of India through the Act of Parliament. Then from 2000 until date, is worked in more than is working in more than 25 countries with a 20,000 workforce with a profit of 50,000 or 1,500 profit after tax in the last financial year. Yes, sir.
Mhm. What is the source of income for NIACL?
Yes, so the source of income, I think it is the sorry, sir, I'm not able to get the
Why?
idea of.
It's a simple thing. Na? Source of income is the premium that it collects from the
Yes,
insurers, in those who are getting insured, and the money is collected or invested by it in government securities and other investments that also earns interest.
okay, sir.
What is the benefit of nationalization of insurance companies?
Yes, sir. The answer can be answered. The question can be answered on the basis of the why the nationalize happened. I think the premium rates are too high for the general public to afford it. I think this is one of the reason to get insurance covered at a low premium rate and to spread the influence of insurance sector into the rural areas through the support of the government. I think these are the two main reasons. And third reason I think should be uh, to offer a financial protection to the government employees also. I think these are the three.
What is the difference between a scheduled commercial bank and general insurance company?
So general insurance company work under through the Insurance Act of 1938, which was amended later on. But on the other hand, scheduled commercial bank on the basis of RBI Act of 1934 and 1949 Banking Regulation Act, they work on the behalf of that. And the second difference should be, yes, the role are very different. The banks are the money maker of the economy. They create a money uh, for themselves. Even insurance company does, but the role are very different. The bank offer a regular demand and time deposit for us, but insurance on the other end provides other insurance coverage for the future protection or any financial loss. And the third difference should be, I think, uh, the regulatory authorities, I think, are different. It was regulated by RBI, and in insurance sector it is regulated by IRDI. I think the third difference should be there. This, and the fourth should be. Uh, Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall the fourth.
Yeah. Basically, banking means accepting deposits, making
Yes, sir.
advances, whereas here they only cover the risk.
Yes, sir.
Banks pay interest on the investment made to them,
Yes, sir.
whereas insurance company pays the claims on it being made after
Yes,
the
sir.
event.
Only.
And
Yes, sir.
banking companies also gives advances that improve economy, and in turn, this insurance company also helps companies from being affected by the loss.
Yes, sir.
So this is what it is. What is the name of the cyclone that hit South India recently?
Yes, sir. It's a cyclone Mishong. Mishong.
Yeah. What is the connection between Michong and insurance?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
What is the connection or relevance of insurance companies and
Yes,
with
sir.
Michong?
Sir, I think due to the cyclone, I think there will be damage to the property of the common people who are residing besides the coast of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Their house are damaged due to the natural calamities. I think they will get the benefit of insurance coverage they if they have of the insurance. And second is, I think, yes, I think this is the major reason, major benefit they will get from the.
What
This
is
is
the
the climate change.
what is the other item that might have been affected by floods? You said
I think
house.
the loss of life. I think loss of
You
life.
said houses. Loss of life will not be covered by NIACL. No.
Also, yes, sir, it's a general insurance company. Yes, sir, is a vehicle loss. If the vehicle is damaged.
Exactly. Nearly 2,500 claims have been received so far from the
Okay, sir.
vehicle owners for that because
Ye-
water has entered into the vehicle and damaged.
Yes, sir. So is there a property damage also?
Property damage, as it is nothing much seen, except I'm not sure whether people would have covered for flood insurance and all that. Normally, we take only fire insurance.
Okay, sir.
We don't take flood insurance because we don't anticipate it.
Sir, I
But
think there
maybe
is a one more. I think what is a marine insurance? I think general insurance company providing
the
marine.
marine insurance is for transportation of vehicle through sea.
So, so I think boats are damaged. Many boats are damaged of
Oh,
fishermen.
there it may be affected. Yeah,
Yeah.
that there they may be benefit, but most of them would not have covered it at all.
Yes, sir.
Most of the small boat owners they don't cover insurance. That is
Yes,
why
sir.
it seems the government of Tamil Nadu is thinking of giving them 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees per boat affected.
Yes, sir. I knew the newspaper. Tamil Nadu government
Separate,
increased the
separate
compensation.
compensation. Yeah, they are giving 6,000 rupees per each house owners who are
Yes, sir.
affected and all that. That is right. Good. Now, what is the use of computers in insurance?
Uh, Sir, insurance is for the personal use, sir.
Not personal. Insurance industry, how it is using computerization.
Sir, I think there is a very huge data that is coming out. Uh, as when the insured or policyholder want to buy the insurance policy, as an insurance company, they will have a huge data to compile, and through the help of Excel and many Microsoft Office or data science tools, they were able to um, arrange the data in so that they can decide the future uh, premium rate at the better end for the customer. And yes, this is a
Now, I find another use, namely the all the branches of United India. I'm sorry, this New India would have been
yes.
interconnected, like
Okay,
core
sir.
banking solution in banks. They would have been interconnected with the main server. That is one advantage. Second
Okay, sir.
advantage is all the activities are computerized, like sending notices, etc., and calculation of agency commission and all that. But I am not sure whether any app has been introduced by them. I think there is one app for something, maybe
Bima
for
Sugam.
claim, for for what there is an app. Jeevan,
Sir, I'm not aware of that.
yeah, please check it up whether there are any apps for that and how they are making use of it.
Sir,
Okay.
IRDA coming up with a Bima Sugam. I think it is
Ah,
another.
yeah, yeah, that is right. That is correct. That is
Yes,
another
sir.
thing coming. That is correct. Whereas this one, I don't know whether there is anything special about it. It doesn't
Sir,
matter.
sir, one question in the banking are using Finacle software. Is any software like in insurance
Yeah,
sector?
that is core banking solution. Similarly, there must be some software for insurance also.
Yes, sir.
There must be some software we don't know with which all the branches are interconnected, but I am not sure whether the facility of transacting in another branch is there. For example, HDFC. Recently, I had an opportunity to visit HDFC life insurance.
Okay, sir.
There, the insurance policy taken by me in the year 2004 is becoming due in 2024 August. And for making a claim, they had already sent the notice, not notice, message
Okay.
1 year before its due date. So, and the advantage in that is you can call on any branch of HDFC Life Insurance and
Okay.
give the documents, show the documents to them so that your claim can be entered. On the due date, you will get the money. I think similar arrangement must be there in our other NIA. I'm not sure about NIACL because I'm sure they can't recognize the claim that way.
Yes, sir.
Because here, in the case of HDFC, I went and they gave all my particulars, name, Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. They entered all the particulars and it was entered into that so that it will be acted upon on the due date.
I think they are interconnected very much.
Interconnected. That's what I wanted to stress. Good.
Yes, sir.
Maybe in this case also interconnection must be there.
Sir, I will try to find the read.
Check up from visit NIACL office. Just have a talk to them on these questions.
Sir, my brother-in-law are working in Oriental Insurance. I will try to ask him.
Yeah, please ask him. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
First question, are they interconnected like branches?
Yes.
Number two, can a claim may be made in another branch of the bank? The renewal also, can it be done in another branch?
Okay, sir.
Just like that. Very good. Now, what do you understand by Sensex and Nifty?
Yes, sir. Census is a index of 30 financially sound companies which are listed on Bombay Stock Exchange. I think section Sensex is this. And Nifty is, sir, the index or the 50 financial sound company which are listed on National Stock Exchange.
Good. The average of the price of the 50 stocks.
Yes, sir.
First one is average of the price, share price of the first 30 stocks. Good.
Yes, sir.
You told correctly. What is fiscal deficit?
Yes, sir. Physical deficit is a difference between the net expenditure into minus revenue. It is a extra borrowing that the government has to do her regular finances.
Good. What do you know as a repo rate?
Yes, sir. Repo rate stands for repurchase obligation rate, which is used by the banks in India to borrow the money from the Reserve Bank of India.
Coming to insurance,
Yes, sir.
in how many countries NIACL has its offices?
Yes, sir. It is 25.
They are telling some Bima Barosa. What is Bima Barosa? Bima
Bima,
Barosa.
Bima.
Bima Barosa. Kind attention for complainants. Bima Barosa portal does not ask for payments of. Acha, Bima Barosa, I think maybe it is an app for making complaints.
Okay, sir.
What you said is right. It is done by our IRDAI.
Yes, sir.
Bima Barosa is a grievance redressal portal.
Yes, sir.
There you can register your complaint. You can also know the status of your complaint.
Online.
Okay. Yeah. Policyholders protection grievance.
Sir, it is mentioned in
Yeah,
NICL website on front
yeah, yeah,
page.
yeah. I would request you to go through this thoroughly so that you can explain what is Bima Barosa process. What is
Yes,
it
sir.
about this? Then the process. What is the process? Then what is the FAQ help that is there? Then what is the mobile access?
Okay.
Then call center and all that. What is the call center number is 1555255,
Yes, sir.
and then complaints at irdai.gov.in.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. The address of communication for complaints by paper or fax. It can be done through paper or fax to Hyderabad.
So it is different from ombudsman. Ombudsman, insurance ombudsman, different, na?
Insurance ombudsman is different.
Okay, sir.
This is Bima Barosa. It is a complaint only. Maybe if
Okay.
it is not sorted out here, they will go to insurance ombudsman where they will allow damages. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. Please tell your strengths that makes you think that you are suitable for this post.
Yes, sir. During, as I told you, my introduction during my
No,
college
no,
years, I was a very
no,
active
but
partner in.
do not tell
Yes.
like this. Do not tell. As I told you in introduction and all, ऐसा नहीं बोलना है. क्योंकि बार बार some questions may be repeated in different forms
Okay, sir.
purposely, and to check up whether you are able to take it properly. You should not tell them, अरे भाई, why are you asking me to repeat it?
Okay, sir.
हम्म
Yes.
ऐसा ऐसा सोचना नहीं है. So बता दीजिए, what makes you think you are suitable?
Yes, sir. In insurance, as a registered officer, there are three skills mainly required. It is communication skills and risk management, and third is your organization skills. I think these three skills that first come to sir communication. I think I participated in a lot of GD communication, and during my SSB interviews, I interacted with a lot of people, and in normal life, I like to interact with normal people. I think the first skill, I think communication skill. I think this is the most important thing I possess. This is my strength. And second is risk management. As a mathematics student, I have a certain numerical skill, analytical, and deep thinking skill, which helped me to develop my analytical skills, which helped me to do a better risk management in as an administrative officer in an ICL. And the third is good organization skills. Yes, sir, I have it. And the third reason is yes, I before the day start in the morning, I maintain a to do list daily to prioritize my task. So I think I organize my task daily on the basis of the list I prepared on daily basis. So I think it's come to the management skills good strength.
What is average clause in fire insurance?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
It is like this. I don't know why many of the students are not aware of this. It must have been studied under theory. Under the average clause, policyholders agree to maintain a specific percentage of insurance coverage based on the property's actual value. If a
Okay, sir.
fire causes partial loss or damage, the claim payout is determined by the formula. Claim amount is equal to insurance carried divided by insurance required into loss.
Okay,
So,
sir.
so please study this.
Okay, sir.
That's right. Now tell me some three current affair news you are able to remember.
Sir, recently the new Chief Minister of Telangana, Mr. Revant Reddy, sworn in as a Chief Minister of Telangana.
Hmm.
And the
Good.
second is monetary policy of RBI recently come, which has
Mhm.
decided to keep the repo rate 6.5 unchanged.
Very
And
good.
in the meeting itself, they decided to increase the UPI limit from 1 lakh to 5 lakh for the education and health sector.
Good.
And third, they do in monetary policy, it's increase the recurring payment from
Hmm.
15,000 to 1 lakh.
Super. Good. Very nice. Where is the NPCI headquarters?
So may I guess?
New Delhi.
Okay, sir.
Who is the man in charge of that? Who is the important managing director? Dilip Pasbe.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you so much. This was your first or second interview with me. I'm not sure. I
Yes,
don't
sir. First
remember.
interview. First.
That's right. You have taken a second interview date.
Yes, sir. It is 13th of December. I take it.
What is the date of your interview? 18th.
So 17th.
Okay. 17th means it's okay. Fine. Good. 13th is okay for you, or you want it to be posted to further down, 14 or
No,
so?
sir.
13 is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. Best wishes. But
Thank
थोड़ा
you, sir.
आवाज में थोड़ा enthusiasm